Hello and welcome to the BoloForms signature. So in this video, I'll show you a new integration which is Pipedrive integration. So at first you will go towards the settings and click on integrations. You could see there is a Pipedrive app here in the integration. You just have to click on install and click on allow and install in this page. It would redirect you towards the settings. Now let me just show you the use case of it. You just have to go towards PDF templates and select the document. Let me select this one, edit fields. So you have to go to the variables, and as you could see there are a whole new list of variables named as Pipedrive. So in this, all of the deals details would be fetched from the Pipedrive and it would be stored in these variables, so that the user don't have to create custom variables and set the variables manually. The BoloForms would do the same for you guys now. So let me just add a few more. I think so that would be all right. I'll click on save. Now as you can see, these are all of the variables that we used in the document. Now before the integration, the user would have to add the values manually, which makes the job really monotonous. So now we have a select deal button. We just have to click on this and it would fetch all of the deals which are there in my Pipedrive account. And right now I will just select on the real estate deal because I want this deal to be associated to this particular document, and I'll click on this link, and as you could see it has fetched all of the deals details and it is fed to my variables. Now rest of the procedure remains the same, which is sending the document. Now whole of this procedure could also be done using Pipedrive app as well. Let me just show you how. So first open the Pipedrive app. I've already opened a deal in the Pipedrive app which is a real estate deal. So you just have to click on these three dots and there is a create document button along with the BoloForms logo. Would open our PDF template dashboard. So here you have to select the document that you want that deal to be associated with. So I'll select this one only. Now I don't have to select the deal. The deal is already been selected from the Pipedrive, which is real estate deal. So as you can see, all of my details are fetched and fed to the variables. So this whole integration makes life easier for the Pipedrive and BoloForms users. So that's it. Thank you.